We are unboxing the stuff, and today's stuff, the Galaxy Buds 2, the newest earbuds, wireless Bluetooth earbuds from Samsung. And here you go. This is the box, the Galaxy Buds 2. On the back, simple and clear packaging here. Clear and rich sound with two-way speakers. Active noise canceling, comfortable fit, 5 to 20 hours of playtime. That is one heck of a range. The reason they have such a range is because if you turn the active noise cancellation on and features like that, it drains the battery more. So if you take all those features off, you can get up to 20 hours. They've got the little G sign there, which indicates wireless charging capabilities, not for the earbuds themselves, but for the charging case. And that's pretty much it. We've got some codes on the side, some barcodes, little tiny box, Galaxy Buds 2 from Samsung. So, before I open the box, just hit that subscribe button. We'd love it if you like unboxings. Hit the subscribe button. A lot more to come here on Unbox the Stuff. And be the first to comment below. Got questions about the Buds 2? Let us know. Here we go. So we've got the Galaxy Buds 2 inside. And inside here, interestingly enough, hidden up here, and maybe this was supposed to be here? No, I think it was supposed to be there. So there you go. This is the instruction manual that nobody will ever read. But they have to include it. And there it is. Pretty simple stuff. How to download the app, the quick start guide, as they call it. And let's move that aside and take a look at what's inside the buds, the gear that everyone's looking for. So there are the buds themselves. Looks like we might have some charging cables here. And that is it. Box is empty after that. Let's move this aside. We'll start with the little box here of accessories, if you will. What's inside? What comes with the buds? Alright, so inside, looks like just a charging cable, probably USB-C, I'm assuming. Oh, those are the little rubber knobs for the earbuds. Different sized rubber knobs. As you see, most earbuds come with these days. You've got a larger size, smaller size. I don't want to lose those, so I'm going to set those aside. And we've got a typical Samsung USB-C charging cable. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. And then finally, we will clear the path here for the buds themselves. A little sleeve on there. And this is the charging case that comes with it. Inside. Interesting to see a white charging case. Cool, clean looking charging case with black earbuds on the inside, or gray. It says sound by AKG on the inside. You can see a little charging light indicator. And then it's a really nice case. Nice close to it. You hear that? Nice, soft but definitive close to it. And you've got the buds. They're very shiny little buds. And you've got the two little sensors there, indicator of right and left earbuds. They've already got some rubber little ends on them, some tips on them. So the other ones you saw that came with it, those are just additional sizes in case these ones don't quite work. But there you go. That is it. That is all. The charging case, we'll put the buds back inside. We'll have to sync them up, connect them to the phone, and give them a go, give them a test to see how they work out. But for now, that is the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds 2 earbuds from Samsung here on Unbox the Stuff. Again, we would love you if you subscribe. Got any questions about the Buds 2? Post it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer as quickly as possible.